quick solutions to reverse your premature gray hair. Causes for premature gray hair. Home remedy: black for premature graying hairs. 6 tablespoons of tea. Cool it down to room temperature and rinse your hair with it regularly or at least 4 to 5 times a week. Onion juice. Blend 1 to onions and extract its juice. Apply it on the areas experiencing premature hair graying. Wash off after 1 hour. Coconut oil and curry leaves. Heat the curry, leaves, and coconut oil in a small saucepan until the mixture turns black. Let the oil cool and massage your hair and scalp with it. Leave it on for at least an hour. Wash it off with shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week.